Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Klaviyo for e-commerce email flows step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Klaviyo website. Once on the home page, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your preferred email address and create a strong password. Make sure to confirm the password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, select your role from the drop-down menu. Choose whether you are an entrepreneur, marketer, or another relevant option. After selecting your role, click the Create Account button. Klaviyo will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for the confirmation email from Klaviyo. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Klaviyo website and log in with your email and password. Upon logging in, you will be required to fill in additional details about your business. Provide your business name, website URL, and relevant contact information. Complete the setup by answering questions about your marketing goals and customer base. After entering the details, click on the Continue button. Now, you will be directed to set up your account preferences. Select your time zone and currency based on your business location. Once you've made your selections, proceed by clicking the Save Preferences button. You will then be taken to the Klaviyo dashboard. From the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the interface. To set up your first email flow, navigate to the Flows tab located on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Flow button to start designing your email flow. Choose a flow template that suits your marketing needs. Customize the template as per your business requirements. Once your flow is complete, click on the Review and Turn On button. Your email flow is now set up and ready to engage your customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.